Welcome to our comprehensive guide on longevity nutrition. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to stay young and energetic well into their 80s and 90s? The secret isn't just in their genes, it's on their plates. Today, we are exploring the actionable, nutritional habits that can significantly extend your healthy lifespan. At the cellular level, what we eat acts as information. It can either trigger inflammation or promote repair through complex biological pathways, like mitophagy and autophagy. Understanding this science allows us to make better choices. It starts with being mindful of the ingredients and the chemical composition of everything we consume daily. Longevity-boosting foods like walnuts, fatty fish, and dark leafy greens are packed with compounds that protect our cells from the oxidative stress of aging. The Mediterranean lifestyle is often cited as the gold standard. It emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods that provide a steady stream of energy and vital nutrients. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is a cornerstone of this diet. Its monounsaturated fats are essential for maintaining heart health and cognitive function as we age. Hydration is another pillar of health. Water is required for every single chemical reaction in your body, from metabolism to the removal of cellular waste products. We must also consider our microbiome. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and yogurt introduce beneficial bacteria that strengthen our immune system and mood regulation. It is not just about what we eat, but how much. Calorie restriction and mindful eating habits help maintain metabolic flexibility and prevent many age-related diseases. When shopping, look for deep colors. The pigments in fruits and vegetables often represent the antioxidants that shield our bodies from environmental toxins and decay. Prioritize plant-based proteins whenever possible. Beans, lentils, and seeds are excellent sources of fiber, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut and stable blood sugar. Omega-3 fatty acids found in flax seeds and oily fish are vital for brain health. They help preserve cognitive function and keep your mind sharp as you age. To optimize your health, remember these key terms: antioxidants, omega-3 salve, and phytonutrients. These are the building blocks of a resilient, long-lasting biological system. Simple swaps make a big difference. Drinking green tea instead of sugary beverages provides a boost of polyphenols that support metabolic health and longevity. Longevity is also social. Sharing healthy meals with friends and family reduces stress and improves mental well-being, which is just as important as physical health. Start implementing these small changes today. Consistency is the key to seeing long-term results and ensuring you feel your best for decades to come. If you found this advice valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join our community of health-conscious individuals dedicated to aging gracefully and powerfully. Invest in your nutrition now, and your future self will thank you. For more tips on biohacking and wellness, check out our other videos. Live long, live healthy, and stay vibrant. We will see you in the next video as we continue our journey toward optimal human performance.